which works till midnight. From this side we do have a restaurant. This is the restrooms. When you book a room through the website, their official website, breakfast is included, and breakfast is on the second floor, and we are on 5th floor. Checked in. This is our room, and from the left side we do have the restroom. Every is sparkling clean, huge, spacious. Everything is very clean. We do have all the toiletries. And right in front is a small wardrobe cloak room, and this is our room. It is small, but it's good. Enough room for two of us, who is our two small luggages, and they gave us complimentary wine. Go to the restaurant and show this voucher, and they will give us our wine. And we booked through their official website, and it has breakfast included, and the price is way cheaper than in booking. And this is also a complimentary gift. Chocolate. And most important thing is the view and location. View is amazing. It is looking at the Palazzo Vecchio. And this is, we have a museum where they have the Bronze David by Donatello. Location is very central. Amazing. Hotel is old, in historic building. I like it. positioned for extra cost.